Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to include 5-star review on your Squarespace site. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for dash.elfsite.com. Once you are on the website, create a free account by following the on-screen instructions. After successfully creating your account, you will be directed to a dashboard where various website widgets will be displayed. Next, click on the Google Reviews widget at the top. You will see several templates to choose from. Select a preferred template that matches the style of your website. After selecting the template, click on the Continue with this template button. Then, click on the Publish icon at the top right corner of the page. A pop-up will appear with a code. Copy the entire code provided in the pop-up. Now, go to your Squarespace website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the page where you want to display the reviews. Click on the Edit button at the top left corner of the page. Choose a preferred placement for the reviews on your page. Click on the Add Section button to create a new section on your page. Select Blank Space to create an empty section where you can add the reviews. After creating the blank section, click on the Add Block button within the section. From the drop-down menu, select Code. This will open a code block where you can input custom HTML. Click on the pen icon within the code block and paste the code you copied earlier from the Elf site. After pasting the code, click outside the box to save your changes. Finally, select Preview in Safe Mode to ensure everything is displaying correctly. You will also have the option to resize the review section to your liking by dragging the edges of the code block. So that's basically how you can include 5-star review on your Squarespace site. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.